guys, I'm so excited to share with you one of my most favorite recipes to make at home, and that is an acai bowl using my Mod Blender Pro. So I start with a couple packets of acai, some frozen berries and frozen strawberries, and we're just gonna pop off the lid and get that right into our blender. Now, what I really love about this blender, and you'll soon see, is that it has individual settings, which makes it so simple to set it and forget it. So we're just gonna go ahead and chop up our frozen banana. So this is how I make the recipe. I take my acai ingredients, which is just simple blended berries that have been frozen, add some more frozen fruit to it, and to that, I'm gonna add a little liquid, which is our frozen coconut water, just a splash to start. And then we're gonna put on our lid, push it down tight, and we are gonna turn this puppy on. There we go. Perfect. And just like that, let's pop off our lid. Get in there. So acai bowls are extremely expensive to buy at a smoothie shop. You're talking $14. With the ingredients I have here, I've spent a total of, for all of it in large size packages, probably $25, maybe $30, but I will make 50 of these. So from here, we take a look, take a taste. So fresh, so delicious. The next step is to go ahead and create our bowl. Just gonna pour this beautiful acai right into our serving dish. Now, I don't know how it is in your family, but in mine, I like all the toppings. So of course, we're gonna start with a little bit of our chia seeds right down the middle. Top it with some beautiful fresh bananas. And on the side, make it gorgeous. Take a taste. Of course, we gotta get some fresh coconut sliced and a little healthy granola. Now this one's gonna be for me. When I make it for my son, I of course add strawberry. It's whatever you want. So, now that I have it ready, and I also encourage honey, peanut butter, whatever you want. You just have your Mod Blender Pro. You can make whatever you want, including acais, fresh at home. We gotta take a taste. Let's get in there. Gotta get it all. I'm making a mess. That's okay. I'll clean it up. Delicious. So, just one more beautiful recipe that you can create at home using your Mod Blender Pro.